Hello, my name is Hanadi. I am one of the Imagine Wellness patients, if you will. I have been on the program going on, what, 4 months now? I started in early September with a consultation, and from there, Dr. J was able to kind of pre-diagnose some foreseen symptoms that I had based on the information that I was giving him. And from then, he was very quick to kind of create a game plan to kind of better me um, in all the different ways that I was struggling, or even if I didn't know that I was struggling. So it was a lot of trial and error of taking, kind of adapting to different tests and seeing, what was going to be the result and the outcome. And so far, going in December, right, I couldn't be more happy with the results that I've seen. Um, Especially when I've gone the primary care route for years, and I mean years, from endless blood test, MRIs, just being prescribed something that may or may not have worked by, a primary care physician or a specialist. So it was a lot of going back and forth, and, I was getting to the point where I was just like exhausted with trying to find an answer, and no one was able to give me an answer, or at least, you know, something to go off of instead of just like, oh, you're basically fine, like just take this. So I am very grateful for Dr. J and everyone on his team for their endless support and communication, most importantly. Um, and their feedback and the check-ins. I think it's fantastic how much they care about their patients, and it shows, right? Especially when they have a conversation with you, it's very in sync. Um, they tell you basically everything, or they lie everything out for you in a way that's very easy for you to understand. The whole process is very educational, so you're able to learn as you go as well and take information for yourself in order to better yourself, right? Once you are quote unquote done with the program. So it is a very like moving forward type of process where the whole point is just to heal yourself and to not be dependent on pharmaceuticals, which is ultimately my goal. So I feel like I still got a good road ahead of me just to sustain this period. But I couldn't be more grateful with the progress and everything that I've made so far. So thank you to Dr. J and the entire Imagine Wellness team.